An octagonal sign means that drivers must A. Be aware of possible hazards ahead. B. Respect the posted speed limit. C. Come to a complete stop at the marked stop line. Correct answer is C. Come to a complete stop at the marked stop line. Next question. You must come to a full stop at a yield sign. A. Always. B. If traffic conditions require it. C. Never. Correct answer is B. If traffic conditions require it. Next question. More than one vehicle is approaching a four-way stop sign. Who has the right of way? A. The last driver to reach the intersection. B. The first driver to reach the intersection and stop. C. The driver on the left. Correct answer is B. The first driver to reach the intersection and stop. Next question. If you are convicted of driving under the influence, you may be sentenced to A. No jail time, but you must pay a fine of $500. B. Serve up to 6 months in jail. C. Serve up to 12 months in jail. Correct answer is B. Serve up to 6 months in jail. Next question. If you are under 21 years of age and your BAC measures 0.01% or higher on the breath test, you may be suspended for A. 18 months. B. 1 year. C. 180 days. Correct answer is B. 1 year. Next question. If cars approaching from opposite directions reach an intersection at the same time. A. A car that turns left must yield to cars that move straight or turn right. B. A car that moves straight must yield to cars that turn left. C. A car that turns right must yield to cars that move straight or turn left. Correct answer is A. A car that turns left must yield to cars that move straight or turn right. Next question. The most important times to check traffic behind you are A. Before backing, changing lanes, or slowing down quickly. B. Crossing intersections or following other vehicles. C. Backing, making a sharp turn, or crossing an intersection. Correct answer is A. Before backing, changing lanes, or slowing down quickly. Next question. A peace officer is signaling you to drive to the edge of the roadway. You decide to ignore the officer's warning and flee the scene. You are guilty of A. A misdemeanor and can be punished by being fined up to $2,000. B. Given a warning and a citation. C. Jailed in the county jail for not more than 1 year. Correct answer is C. Jailed in the county jail for not more than 1 year. Next question. A broken white line means A. Passing or crossing is prohibited in that lane. B. Marks the right edge of the roadway. C. Separates two lanes traveling in the same direction. Correct answer is C. Separates two lanes traveling in the same direction. Next question. You should signal continuously while turning because it A. Is illegal to turn off your signal before completing a turn. B. Is always unsafe to turn off a signal before completing a turn. C. Lets other drivers know what your intentions are. Correct answer is C. Lets other drivers know what your intentions are. Next question. When driving in the far right lane of a freeway, you A. Must give the right of way to merging traffic. B. Should expect merging vehicles at on-ramps. C. Must be driving slower than other traffic. Correct answer is B. Should expect merging vehicles at on-ramps. Next question. A school bus with flashing red lights is on the other side of a divided highway. You. A. Must slow down and prepare to stop. B. Do not need to stop. C. Must stop and remain stopped until the lights stop flashing. Correct answer is B. Do not need to stop. Next question. You are going to make a left turn from a dedicated left turn lane. When a yellow arrow appears for your lane, you should A. Be prepared to obey the next signal that appears. B. Stop and not turn under any circumstances. C. Speed up to get through the intersection. Correct answer is A. Be prepared to obey the next signal that appears. Next question. For which of the following traffic lights must you always stop your vehicle? A. Solid red lights, flashing red lights, and yellow lights. B. Solid red lights, flashing red lights, and blacked out traffic signals. C. Solid red lights, red arrows, and flashing yellow lights. Correct answer is B. Solid red lights, flashing red lights, and blacked out traffic signals. Next question. When sharing the road with a light rail vehicle, you A. May turn in front of an approaching light rail vehicle at an uncontrolled intersection. B. May not drive in the lane next to the light rail vehicle. C. Should monitor all traffic signals closely because light rail vehicles can interrupt traffic signals. Correct answer is C. Should monitor all traffic signals closely because light rail vehicles can interrupt traffic signals. Next question. A solid yellow line next to a broken yellow line means that vehicles A. Next to the solid line may pass. B. In both directions may pass. C. Next to the broken line may pass. Correct answer is C. Next to the broken line may pass. Next question. You should allow extra space in front of your vehicle when you following A. A station wagon. B. A motorcycle. C. A passenger vehicle. Correct answer is B. A motorcycle. Next question. If you have a collision, you are required by law to exchange your driver license information with A. Security guards. B. Others involved in the collision. C. Witnesses. Correct answer is B. Others involved in the collision. Next question. A police officer is signaling you to continue driving through a red light. What should you do? A. Come to a complete stop. Then do what the officer tells you. B. Do as the officer tells you. C. Wait for the green light. Correct answer is B. Do as the officer tells you. Next question. While waiting to turn left, you should keep your wheels pointed straight ahead until it is safe to turn. Why? A. If your wheels are pointed to the left and a vehicle hits you from behind, you could be pushed into oncoming traffic. B. If you change your mind, the wheels will be already pointing in the right direction. C. It is easier to deactivate your anti-lock system. Correct answer is A. If your wheels are pointed to the left and a vehicle hits you from behind, you could be pushed into oncoming traffic. Next question. When merging onto the freeway, you should be driving A. The posted speed limit for traffic on the freeway. B. 10 to 15 mph slower than the traffic on the freeway. C. At or near the same speed as the traffic on the freeway. Correct answer is C. At or near the same speed as the traffic on the freeway. Next question. During darkness, bicyclists must have A. A front lamp, emitting a yellow light, visible from a distance of 100 feet. B. A rear red reflector, visible from a distance of 500 feet, FT or C. A white reflector on the bicyclist's helmet. Correct. Answer is B. A rear red reflector, visible from a distance of 500 feet. Next question. When parking next to a curb, you should use your turn signals. A. Only when pulling away from the curb. B. When pulling next to but not away from the curb. C. When pulling next to or away from the curb. Correct answer is C. When pulling next to or away from the curb. Next question. Which of the following is true about double parking? A. It is illegal under all circumstances. B. It is illegal only if you leave your car. C. It is legal if you're making a delivery. Correct answer is A. It is illegal under all circumstances. Next question. Should you always drive slower than other traffic? A. No, you can block traffic when you drive too slow. B. Yes, it is a good defensive driving technique. C. Yes, it is always safer than driving faster. Correct answer is A. No, you can block traffic when you drive too slow. Next question. On a freeway, you should look farther ahead than you would on a city street. A. In order to see potential hazards early. B. Because it takes 1/4 mile to stop your vehicle completely. C. Because it helps you keep up with traffic. Correct answer is A. In order to see potential hazards early.